Okay, hi, welcome to McBoss Capital Livestream. My name is Michael Chu. Today is Friday, March 20th, 2026, 9:23 a.m. Mountain Time. Market is getting quite down right now. It's minus 1.3 on Nasdaq. Dow is down zero point 0.5, S&P is down zero point 0.8, and the volume is a little bit it's lower. So in that sense, it's okay because today is option expiration day. And yeah, and I'm surprised the volume is not as high. So but regardless, the market is not doing well at this moment because especially when you look at the index right now, I believe they all break their recent lows, so that is the negative thing. And Nasdaq was, the one who was trying to hold up, but even that one broke, right? So hold on a second. Okay, sorry. So yeah, so that's not good. And then if you look at intraday chart, so we are below that black line there. But intraday chart here, yeah, you see there's not much of a bounce. Um, at least not yet. So we'll have to wait and see. But it doesn't look good. Normally, if you come down this hard, you want to see at least some sort of bounce, but we're not even getting that. So that is the biggest problem right now. Um, so yeah, so this black line is so important because that's the 200-day moving average. The last time we crossed this was last year in February, right? And now we broke that. So again, there's no more support level. At least, well, there's one here, 580. That was the low here below the 200-day line. But yeah, but we probably will break this because it's not that far away. And then after that, like I said, what's gonna happen, And also, obviously, oil price is still the biggest problem until the Gulf issue resolve. I think the market might not just have no confidence, right? It's continue to hurt, the world economy. So we look at oil price and just see where it stands right now. I know it's fluctuating the last few days, but let's see, a little bit slow. Um, Here you go. It's just hovering near the highs here. Yeah, it's around there, near the highs. 120. I think the Brent oil is probably at 120 right now. The CNBC, we can see that price there. Oil price, oil here. Uh, okay, sorry, 109 is what the price is. So 109, and then the WTI is 97. So yeah, hovering near the highs here. Not a good thing for the world economy in general. Let's go to SPY. This one, this one also gapped below the 200-day this morning. You see that? That is not good. And again, we're trading at the lows of the day. No, not much of a bounce. There's no power whatsoever. That is look at this bar here. We try to come out and we get shut down right away. So it just showed the tremendous selling pressure because we like I said, this technical level is very crucial, and we broke it, and and there's no support coming in. Uh, it's not good. It's not good. We may be seeing more selling. Let's go to Dow. This one is even further down now. Second day, below second day now. Well, yeah, if you don't count the first day cross. So that is even worse. Let's go look at intraday chart. Again, not much of a bounce here this morning. Apologize for the barking. Here's IWM. So IWM is the only one that hasn't crossed the black line. So hopefully it will find support. Again, you can see this big bar here got rejected. Not a good thing. And yeah, and then in terms of stocks in the move, like There's not much happening today. There's some, but not much, like really. Let's go look at it quickly here with TSEM. This is one that is really bucking the trend recently. You can see it making new highs, very strong move. Um, Dell, Dell is also um, bouncing really strong. This might be related to the SMCI news about some employees being charged for moving NVIDIA chips to China or something like that. Okay, let's keep going here. Okay, let's keep going here. We have EQNR. So some of the oil and gas stocks are doing well. TRGP, UQT, VLO, TPL, that's all TNK. So all these are oil and gas stocks. Yeah, not much happening. Guardian, GRDN. This is a recent stock that shows strength. GRDN in the health area. Oh, let's watch. Let's see. Let's see what else. Yeah, that's it. This is the whole list today. Not much going on. Everything is red. So, you know, here's one that is trying to, this is a young, like small illiquid stock here, but it is it's been tightening up a little bit, and then there's some volatility in the last couple of weeks. So, but yeah, but there is some accumulation happening here. So yeah, so that's one that's kind of bucking the trend today. But again, not too many stocks bucking the trend today. We have ARM, surprisingly, was up this morning. We talk about Dell, TSEM. Everything is in pullback mode. DVA is another health stock that jumped a little bit this morning. Again, we have the oil and gas here. We have Circle. Let's take a look at Circle. Okay, it's just really, really slow. Let me just see if I can load this. It's really slow. Anyhow. Yeah, this weekend, yeah, we'll come up with new videos, but I mean, there's not much happening unless the market rebounds today, which is possible, but unlikely. No one wants to hold over the weekend. Yeah, here's Circle. It's holding tight near highs. It pulled back yesterday. Today, it's still holding pretty strong. That's it for today. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day.